Hey, what's up? Doing a little COVID release. I just finished fixing my guitar, man. It's a 1976 Washburn 12 string. And it broke on me on the back here. The back busted out, come unglued. Let all the strings boing out, so I couldn't hold a tune. So thanks to Washburn saying, nah, we're not going to warranty that. You don't still have your receipt from 1976? Oh, well, sorry, we can't help you. Oh, but you know what? It's on file because when I did have my receipt, you did some work on this when the bridge let go. Yeah. No, sorry about your luck. That's alright. Gorilla Glue, man. Gorilla Glue. This thing's like new. So I'm going to play a song now. I took a couple minutes and tuned it up, and now I'm just going to play a song. Alright? A very good friend of mine told me something the other day. I'd like to pass it on to you, 'cause I believe what he said to be true. He said, we're here for a good time, not a long time. So have a good time, the sun can shine every day. And the sun is shining through in this rainy city. And the sun is shining through in this city. That every year has its share of tears, and every now and then it's gotta rain. We're here for a good time, not a long time. So have a good time, the sun can't shine every day. Yeah, so have a good time, the sun can't shine every day. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot for listening.